Special thanks to Lowe's for sponsoring this video. Hi friend, welcome back to Casa Refined. I'm Jorge. If you've been here for a while, you know that I have been DIYing for years. Building furniture, tackling makeovers, creating home decor, and honestly just making all kinds of projects for my home and online shop. And over the years, I've learned which tools and essentials actually make your life easier, whether you're a new homeowner or just getting started with DIY. So today I'm sharing some of my go-to picks, things that I genuinely think are worth having. These would also make really great gift ideas for the DIY beginner in your life, or someone who just recently bought a home and is just getting started and needs the essentials to take on every project with confidence. And this happens to be a perfect time to shop because Lowe's is having their Black Friday event, which means a lot of these pieces, if not all of them, are at really great prices right now. But if you happen to watch this video after the event is over, I still think they're worth full price because they're really that good. All right, let's not waste any time here. Let's get into it. All right, these first few are going to be essential tools for DIY projects. All right, number one, we got the DeWalt drill and impact driver kit. I think every household needs this set. It's very practical and versatile for any project. All right, I have actually my set right here. I had this set for over 10 years. These are my workhorses. They've been through so much. I've dropped them. They're full of cement. I even left them out in the rain once. Would not advise you to do any of that, by the way, but they're a little crusty and dusty. They got cement, they got paint, all sorts of stuff on them, but who cares because they still work really well. You can use these for furniture assembly, hanging art, building projects, even mixing paint. Not all drills are made the same. These have brushless motors, which means more power and a longer life. Honestly, I think my entire business is built off of the backs of these. Seriously, all of these cement pieces that I make and sell in my shop, I have mixed using this with the cement attachment. Next up, we have the DeWalt XR Orbital Sander. This is a wireless one, so you can just use the battery. Sometimes it's more ideal because you can, especially if you're sanding, you're probably going to be sanding outdoors because it creates dust. So you don't want to have to worry about cables and all of that extension cord. It can be really annoying. What I love about this one, it has the variable speed controls, which lets you go from delicate sanding to heavy smoothing. The cordless design makes it flexible for indoors or outdoors. Dust port keeps the workspace cleaner and cuts more accurate. I use an orbital sander all the time, especially when I'm sanding furniture, the frames that I make for my custom artwork, or even just tackling a DIY project, something quick, something to knock off the texture. And here it is. Oh, it's dripping dust. I used to buy the cheap brand ones and I think I went through like 3 of them because the motors gave out. I have not had a problem with this one. It's performing really, really well and it's lightweight, which is perfect, especially when you're sanding for a while. And while you're at it, you can never have too many batteries. This is a perfect time to take advantage of the Black Friday sale because they're having a great deal on DeWalt batteries. You can get this DeWalt 4-pack of lithium batteries. It comes with a mix of 2 amp and 4 amp for longer runtime. These are compatible with the entire DeWalt 20-volt max lineup. Again, you can never have too many batteries. They will certainly appreciate an extra pack. Next, cutting tools, the DIY level up. Every household, every DIYer needs a miter saw. They're very practical and versatile, great for molding, trim, framing, all sorts of DIY projects. I use it frequently when I put up my molding throughout my house. I use it to make my plastered pedestal stands or to make those clean, precise cuts on my DIY floater frames for my artwork. You should consider this Metabo HPT miter saw. It's got great reviews. It's lightweight and easy to move, which is ideal, especially if you don't have a dedicated workspace. It's got a wide miter and bevel angles, plus a clamp and electric brake to make it versatile and safe. A table saw. Oh my gosh, I wish I would have bought a table saw earlier in life. It would have opened the doors to more possibilities in terms of projects. I feel like a table saw is a must-have. I feel like for a beginner, they always seem intimidating, but it's actually not that bad. And of course, table saws vary. You can get something very affordable or something that costs thousands of dollars that a pro would use. You don't need to spend that much. Definitely consider this one. This is the Cobalt 10-inch 15 amp portable job site table saw. Emphasis on portable. This is something that I probably need to upgrade to because the one that I have does not have the wheels. This one has the wheels so that you can easily move it around. Table saws can be a little heavy, but with this, you can easily move it around. This is ideal for cutting plywood, trimming boards, building larger DIY projects. I built my whole coffee, not this one, but the black coffee table. Oh, it turned out so nice. I used it, my table saw for all of that. I also use it to build my pedestal stands again. Like, It's amazing. You can use so many things with it. The rack and pinion fence system keeps the cut straight and precise, and the gravity rise stands folds easily, and the wheels making it portable and garage friendly. The generous rip capacity makes handling wide boards much easier. Definitely a must-have. I highly recommend a table saw, and this one by Cobalt looks very promising. Let's talk outdoor and home maintenance. Every homeowner, every DIYer, everyone who likes to clean their car needs a portable vacuum. This shop vac is on sale right now at the Lowe's Black Friday. I don't know about you, but I would be more than happy to receive a shop vac as a gift. This is a 16-gallon wet dry vacuum. It's one of those things that every homeowner or DIYer ends up needing way more than they expect. It's a must-have for cleaning up after DIY projects, even cleaning your car. You don't want to use your nice indoor vacuum for these kind of things. Definitely dedicate it to a shop vac. Give them the gift of a great yard with this. This is the 20-volt blower and trimmer combo kit by Craftsman. It's on sale. This is a perfect basic set for the yard, patio, or driveway maintenance. The blower clears leaves, pollen, dust, debris in the garage. I actually use mine to like dust off the tools after I'm done with the project, especially like the saw table. It gets a little dusty, so just blow it off outside. And the best part is that it's cordless, which means no cords to drag around. Peace of mind is one of the best gifts you can give any new homeowner, or honestly a renter. And every place needs an outdoor security system. This is the Blink XR4 camera outdoor security system. I actually have this and I absolutely love it. Since they're battery operated, cameras mount anywhere. They have HD video plus night vision, which offer day and night security. And the app lets you check on your home from anywhere. When I was on vacation, I was able to check on my friend who was taking care of the house and watering the plants and all that kind of stuff. So it's ease of mind is really great for it. And since it's on sale for Black Friday, it's a huge value for 4 cameras. I highly recommend these. Give them the gift of organization. Let's talk organization and workspace. Next up, I have the Cobalt 46-inch mobile workbench. It's a great deal right now. You can get this entire thing basically for under $300. It's large and it's got tons of drawer storage to help your tools stay organized and accessible. The smooth lockable drawers help protect tools, and it just makes your garage feel clean and organized. I think this is something that every garage deserves. Trust me, no DIYer or new homeowner will be mad that you gifted them a mobile workbench. Get one for yourself. Get 2. And for those with limited space or just looking for something a bit smaller, you can never go wrong with a rolling toolbox tower. This is the VersaStack rolling toolbox tower. It keeps all tools and accessories organized in one portable tower. The modular stackable units let you customize storage. The deep and shallow compartments are perfect for everything from drills to screws. And the durable wheels make this easy to take this around your space, especially if you got a little incident in the bathroom you got to take care of, or maybe you're going to a friend's house to help them build something. Very easy and convenient. Every DIYer homeowner needs a garage shelving unit. This is the Commander 5-tier garage shelving unit. It instantly declutters a garage or basement. They're sturdy enough for heavy bins, paint, tools, or gear, and the large shelves give you tons of usable storage. They're easy to assemble with no special tools. I have a bunch of these like large totes with the, the yellow lids for everything that I hide all my crap in there, but one of these storage shelf units is perfect to keeping them organized, and you can easily access them without having to stack them up, because if you need something from the bottom, then you have to remove all of those. And let's finish up with a few stocking stuffers or just smaller gifts that you can maybe bundle with something else. Everyone will appreciate a Wi-Fi indoor smart plug. I have them throughout my entire house, especially for the lamps, because it can be a little tedious having to go turn off every single lamp on and off every day. And if you could just put it on a smart plug, it'll do it for you, These are on sale and perfect for lamps, holiday decor, or just automating routines. They're app controlled and compatible with your smart speakers. They're budget friendly, but very functional. Next, we have this 13-piece bimetal hole saw kit. This is one of those tools that you don't really know you need until you need it. It's ideal for recessed lighting, cable routing, plumbing access. The bimetal teeth cut cleanly through wood and drywall, and the compact kit fits perfectly in your toolbox. This would be a great companion for home renovations or just someone who's looking to fix something themselves. And this one's like a no-brainer. It's a crazy good deal. This is the DeWalt 110-piece drill and drive bit set. This would complete the drill / impact kit perfectly. It includes almost every bit size you will need for home projects. The magnetic drive system improves precision. It's compact, which keeps everything clean and organized. It's a practical stocking stuffer any DIYer will appreciate. Okay, and those are some of the tools, organizational systems, and little essentials that every new homeowner or DIYer needs and will appreciate. These are the types of things that I'm constantly reaching for as a DIYer and someone who has been creating for many years. I think they're truly worth having in your setup if you are looking to improve your toolbox or create a little workstation at home or give the gift to a DIYer. These would be amazing things to gift. I'll have everything linked in the description if you want to check them out, or you can tap on the screen as I tagged every product. Thank you again to Lowe's for sponsoring this video, and for you for hanging out with me. The DIY does not stop around here, so be sure you're subscribed because I have some really excited projects which you will probably see all the tools that I've mentioned throughout my videos. So thanks again so much for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.